Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable swap on CentOS VPS with stab changes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable swap on your CentOS VPS, begin by logging into your server via SSH. Use your preferred terminal emulator to connect. Once logged in, check the current swap status by typing the command swap and S. If swap is enabled, you will see a list of swap files or partitions. Next, you will want to turn off the swap immediately. To do this, execute the command sudo swap offa. With swap disabled, it's time to prevent it from re-enabling on boot. Open the fstab configuration file using a text editor. You can use the command sudo nano /etc/stab to open it. In the fstab file, look for the line that mentions the swap partition or file. Typically, it will include the word swap. Comment out this line by adding a #hashtag at the beginning. This action will disable the swap when the system reboots. After making the changes, save the file and exit the text editor. In Nano, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. To confirm that your changes were successful, you can reboot the server. After rebooting, log back in and run the command swap and S again. You should see that there are no active swap spaces now. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled swap on your CentOS VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.